So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add a multi-level list here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is once Word is opened up on your device is to go to the top left here, make sure the home tab is selected. So for instance, if the home tab's like this, press on the home tab one more time, or if you're on insert, just go to the home tab right here. And then once you're on the home tab, just slide this bar all the way to the right, and right below where it says review for me, there actually is an option right here that says multi-level list. Simply just go ahead and press on the multi-level list right here. So what this basically does is you can select whatever one you want. So if you just want the current list right here, it'll be 1A, I, etc. You can use a whole bunch of different ones here of your choosing. So we'll just go ahead here and press on current list just like this. So if you were to go ahead and press on 1, I'll just say this is the first point, and if you want to press on return, it's then going to make you just like this. So what you can also do here is just to go to the numbers right here and then press on this one right here. This will change that. You can change it to this one, whatever the case may be. You can sort of play around with it. Then you have a whole bunch of different access to multi-level list right here within Word. So fairly straightforward, fairly simple. This is how to add bullet points, or sorry, this is how to add a multi-level list here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.